In this video, let's learn how to change your A06 mobile display mode. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to accessibility option, click on this vision enhancement option. You can see here 3 display modes: default, high contrast and large display option. Now I click on this default. You can see this is default already applied. You can select on this high contrast mode. Now I click on it and you can apply. This is high contrast mode display. Another one is large display mode. Now I enable it. Click to apply. You can see our display is going to large like this. In this method, you can change your mobile display mode. I like to use this default mode. It is very easy to use. If you enable this high contrast mode or large display mode, these all features are going to enable. Now I will show you example. I am going to apply this high contrast. You can see high contrast keyboard is enabled. Let's check our keyboard now. Now I click on it. You can see our high contrast keyboard like this. In this method, you can change your mobile display mode.